Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect another domain to your Wix website. That means how to add several domains to your Wix website. Okay, let's go to the video. Now I am on my Wix website dashboard. Now you can see on the left side channels. When you put cursor on channels, you can see a pop-up. Then click on website. Here you can see manage domains. Click on it. You can see I have already connected 3 domains. You have 2 options. You can add an existing domain or you can buy a domain. I have already purchased a domain, so I'm going to add an existing domain. Click on add an existing domain. Then click on connect a domain you already own. Then here type your domain name or copy paste your domain name here. Click on next. Here they are giving some instructions. It says it will take up to 48 hours to fully connected the domain. But normally after 10 minutes domain will be connected. Click on start. Here we have 4 steps to complete to connect the domain. First one is login to your domain provider. So open a new tab on the same browser and log into your domain provider. My domain provider is Pogban. Here I have already logged to it. Then back to Wix tab and click on I logged in. Okay, now step 2. Find your domain settings page. Back to domain tab. Here you can see details button on right side. Click on that. This is my domain settings page. If you don't know how to find your domain provider settings page, comment below. I will show it in another video. Back to Wix tab. Click on I found my domain settings. Step 3. Find your name servers. Back to domain tab. Here you can see authoritative name servers. In front of that you can see 4 name servers and edit button. Click on edit. Now we need to delete these default name servers and add Wix name servers. Back to Wix tab. Click on I found the name servers. Step 4. Replace your name servers. Now we need to copy these 2 name servers and paste on domain name servers. You can see here copy button. Then you can copy one by one. Click on copy. Back to the domain tab. Delete these name servers and paste here. And second one, copy and paste. Click on submit. Now back to Wix tab. Click on I have replaced my name servers. Now it is verifying connection. Okay, now it is done. After like 10 minutes, come back and it will be fully connected. After 10 minutes, I am checking this connected domain. Yes, it is redirected to primary domain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.